Okay, so I'm filming this video back to back to the other one you would have probably watched last week, which was the I just filmed it. What was it? The agenda. But now I have unboxing number 2. And this one I'm actually excited about as well, because I've had trial and tribulation over this this LV piece right here. And I'm finally able to say that I've come to the end of the road, okay? And then we come, was it? To the end of the road, still I can't let you go. It's a metro. Yes, that's literally how I felt with the Nice BB. Okay, I was literally nearly hitting the end of the road of that journey. I was. If you haven't watched my other video on the last Nice BB that I spoke about on this channel, then I suggest you go ahead and check that out before you carry on watching this one. But just in quick short form, I had 2 Nice BBs prior to this one I'm about to show you the unboxing for. The first one had a crease in the front of it. I tried to settle for it, but I just couldn't. I couldn't get over it. And then it's kind of like you go through this thing where it's like, why should I settle? Why? Somebody tell me! Like, I'm spending $1,300 on something that I'm just going to stare at and not be happy with. What's the point of that? You know, and I'm really trying to exercise my mind and not settle for things if I don't have to. You know, just kind of lessen the trouble for the other person, because I really hate returning things. It's not my confidence spot, because I just don't want to be that customer that's like returning things, or the picky customer. But the fact is, it's my money. And I paid for something to have quality, not to have, like, defects, honestly. Anyways, the second one that I ordered was hideous. It was a pure monstrosity, and I literally had to make a video on it because I couldn't believe how many defects that Nice BB had. I still think it was a hot mess. I still do feel a little bit sad about that, because the chances are they are still going to put it back on the shop floor or try and sell it to somebody. And I feel like if you don't have the trained eye, or just, you know, like you haven't been in the brand for that long to kind of know what is right and what's wrong, what's a defect and what's not, you would look at that Nice BB and think, oh, okay, maybe it's not stuffed, maybe I need to do this. But I'm telling you that Nice BB it needs to be recalled, taken off the market, okay? Nobody should own that. But I do know that there will be somebody who will end up buying it, and that's what actually made me feel a little bit sad about it. Anyways, I then found another one. Well, my SA did. She sent me pictures of it, and I was like, no girl. I also sent it to 2 girlfriends, because I feel like when you've been trying to find a piece over and over again, you can also start telling your own mind that actually this one's okay, maybe I should just keep it. You know what I'm trying to say? And so I sanity checked with 2 girlfriends, and they were like, I don't think this is the one. And I was like, you know what? I think the same thing. I was trying to convince myself. So then my SA ordered another one, but I told her to send it straight to the store. Don't send it to me. She sent me pictures, and that one as well was like, not cutting it. But luckily, she got sent 2 that day. So I said no to the first one she showed me. And then she was like, hang on, we did receive another one. Have a look at this one. So I was like, okay, cool. She sent me pictures, and I was like, I was so happy. I was like, yes, give it to me. Now. Perfect. So now what I'm going to show you today is an example of a Nice BB that actually looks pretty much perfect, in my opinion. So let's go ahead and unbox. Okay, yes, my little story in the beginning. I know you guys just honestly just want to come here for the unboxing, but I think it's beneficial for somebody to hear this, so I'm sharing it. But first of all, if you are new to my channel, then hi, hello, I'm Adeela, nice to meet you. If you're not already subscribed, then honestly, I don't really know what you're thinking, okay? Take the time to subscribe right now. I can definitely wait for you to do that. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much, and if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you also. Okay, let me show you the Nice BB. It's that time again. It's that time again. It's that time again. Nah. It's the lipstick. It's making me feel like sultry. Okay, sultry vibes, darling. We had to switch the melody up real quick. Alright, so first things first. Look how big the box is. Okay, I even have to I have to back up because this box is actually an appropriate size for the Nice BB. If you look at the other video, you will see the monstrosity box that I received with the last BB. So anyways, let me show you. So here is the Nice BB in the dust bag. Let's take her out, reveal her nice and slowly because she's ever so perfect. I honestly am so happy with this one compared to any of the other ones I've received so far. I think I've seen about five, 6 Nice BBs now at this point. Anyways, here it is. First thing I want to point out is, can you see that this top line right here doesn't have that curve that we were dealing with before? The hardware is nicely in line with the top cushion, you know, like the top part of it. The canvas has got no creases whatsoever in the front, sides, backs, underneath, top, nothing. No creases, no dents, no nothing. It is a little bit stuffed, not that much though, so you can see that it has, you know, some room to move. I don't have any wrinkling in the vachetta handle either. I'm going to show you the top really, really quickly so you guys can kind of see why I really, really didn't like the last one. So as you can see here, the top is in nice condition. There is no, you know, like that thing where parts of the corners was sinking in and kind of dented a little bit. There's none of that in that Nice BB, thank goodness. And the back of the Nice BB right here is very flat, no bubbling like the last one. So, you know, essentially it just shows you that you should never settle for something because, well, why? And the fact is it was never made to have defects in it, so why should you have to own one that has defects in it? It just makes no sense to me, actually. So, yes, I wanted to show you this one because I wanted to show you the comparison and kind of show you that sometimes, even as much as you might want a piece, like I've been trying to get this Nice BB for the longest time and I've had it on my wish list for forever. So when I actually decided to go and buy it and I went through such trouble with it, it kind of makes you just feel like, okay, I'll just settle. But it's super, super important to never ever do that, like in all areas in your life, but especially for something that you're purchasing. You're using your hard-earned money to buy this thing, so why settle for something that you don't actually love? And that isn't in the quality that it should have been. So as you can see, it's nicely stuffed. My essay kindly did that for me. So yeah, there's the inside. Okay, this is what it looks like without anything, like any stuffing inside it, any of those air packets. And in my opinion, it's in a fabulous condition. I think it's stunning, and I have already done a video on this Nice BB in the terms of what fits inside. So definitely check that out. Well, I did it in comparison to the Nice Nano. I will have another video on this one though. As soon as the insert thing that I ordered arrives for it, because then I can give you a, you know, more of a structured video in terms of actually organizing the Nice BB. I'm happy to say that my little saga of the Nice BB is finally over. I love this one. I just think it's in such good condition. So yeah, I'm happy that I waited to, you know, find the one that makes sense to me and looks the best to me. And I love it. I think it's stunning, and I can't wait for my Nice BB journey to finally begin. I do want the Nice Mini to kind of complete the trifecta, but I have some other things on my wish list that I'm going to get first before I invest in that one. Yes, that is the wrap up of this video. Of course, I don't usually make videos kind of complaining, but that one was a pure monstrosity, and I feel like everybody on this planet needed to know about it. So that's that. So here's the ending to that story. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in your comments down below. Again, if you haven't watched the other video, definitely go back and watch it. It is this one right here. And let me know your thoughts. Can you see the difference? Can you not see the difference? Because me personally, I can see the difference, girl, okay? If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you haven't had enough, definitely click this video right here, or maybe this one over here. Enjoy your evening, morning, day, whatever it is for you. Follow me on Instagram. I am on Instagram. I love having a conversation with you guys over there, so definitely DM me, send me a message, you know, let's have a chat. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.